Sunbit offers a unique take on the buy now, pay later model by focusing on essential services rather than impulse retail purchases. When a car breakdown occurs or a dental emergency arises, the immediate financial burden can be overwhelming. This platform addresses that specific pain point by providing point-of-sale installment loans at automotive service centers, dental offices, and veterinary clinics. One of the most significant aspects of this tool is its accessibility. It boasts an approval rate of approximately 90%, which is remarkably high compared to traditional lending options. This high success rate is achieved through a proprietary artificial intelligence system that evaluates more than just a standard credit score, making it a viable option for those with fair or thin credit histories. For individuals concerned about their credit standing, the application process starts with a soft credit pull. This allows a person to see their potential offer without any negative impact on their credit score. A hard inquiry only happens after the user decides to move forward and open the account. The speed of the process is another major benefit, as applications at a service counter usually take about 30 seconds to complete. This efficiency is crucial during high-stress moments at a dealership or clinic. Unlike many other financing options, there is a true no-fee structure. This means there are 0 late fees, 0 origination fees, and 0 prepayment penalties. While interest still accrues on unpaid balances, the absence of flat penalty fees is a refreshing change from typical banking practices. However, the financial terms require careful consideration. The annual percentage rate, or APR, ranges from 0% to 35.99% based on creditworthiness. For those with lower credit scores, an APR of 35.99% is quite high, often exceeding the interest rates found on standard credit cards. It is also important to note that a down payment is always required at the time of purchase. A user cannot walk away with $0 down. A portion of the total bill must be paid immediately at the checkout counter. Furthermore, the tool is limited to participating merchants. If a local mechanic or dentist does not support the technology, it cannot be used there. Because this tool reports payment activity to major credit bureaus, it serves as a double-edged sword. On one hand, making consistent, on-time payments over terms of 3, 6, or 12 months, or up to 72 months for dental work, can help build a positive credit history. On the other hand, a missed payment will be reported and can negatively impact a credit score, just as a missed credit card payment would. This makes it a serious financial commitment. It is an excellent resource for managing emergency expenses when cash is tight or when traditional credit cards have denied an application, but it should be used with caution. If someone has the cash available or access to a 0% interest credit card, those would be more cost-effective choices than potentially paying a high interest rate through an installment plan. In summary, this service provides a necessary safety net for unavoidable life expenses like car repairs and medical needs, offering a quick and highly accessible way to spread out costs without hidden fees. The main risks involve the high interest rates for those with lower credit scores and the potential for credit damage if payments are not managed responsibly. It is a powerful tool for bridging the gap during emergencies, provided the user is aware that an APR as high as 35.99% may apply and that a down payment is always a requirement.